My dear students, welcome to the Karnataka Learning Management System. Myself, Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, GFGC and PG Center, Chintamani. In this video, I am presenting you BSc Mathematics Paper 2, Session 19, Polar Subtangents and Subnormals. Let us derive the formula for subnormal and subtangent. In the figure, O is a pole and R is equal to f of theta is the curve and P is a point on the curve whose coordinates are r, theta, and OP is joined, that is the radius vector. A tangent is drawn at P, that is PT. To the tangent we have drawn a normal line, that is PM. NOT is joined. OT is called the length of the subtangent and ON is called the length of the polar subnormal to the curve R is equal to f of theta. Now to find the polar subtangent from the right angle triangle POT. POT is this triangle. In this triangle, this is the angle phi. Tan phi is equal to OT by OP. Hence, OP into tan phi is equal to OT. So, OT is equal to r square d theta by dr. See, this is nothing but the polar subtangent. So, polar subtangent is given by r square d theta by dr. Then similarly, polar subnormal, that is ON, from the right angle triangle PON. NPO angle is 90 degrees minus phi. So tan of 90 degrees minus phi is equal to ON by OP. And further this implies that cot phi is equal to ON by OP. Why? Because tan of phi by 2 minus phi is cot phi. Hence, cot phi is equal to ON by OP. Now, we have to find the distance ON. So, by equating this to ON, we get OP cot phi is equal to ON. So, which implies that ON is equal to dr by d theta by using the tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. So, we can substitute in this one and the ON will be equal to dr by d theta. So, this is the required formula to find the polar subnormal. Now, based on these two formula, let us work out few problems. Find the length of polar subtangent to the parabola 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So, here the given equation of the curve is 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Let us differentiate this with respect to theta. Then we get minus 2a by r square into dr by d theta is equal to sin theta. When you differentiate 2a by r, 2a is a constant, then 1 by r derivative is minus 1 by r square dr by d theta. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus into minus plus sin theta we get. Hence, the derivative of the given curve is minus 2a by r square into dr by d theta is equal to sin theta. Now, let us equate this to dr by d theta. So, we get dr by d theta is equal to minus r square by 2a into sin theta. Now, recall the formula for polar subtangent, that is r square d theta by dr. So, we know that the polar subtangent is r square d theta by dr. Now, by substituting in this formula, we get r square into minus 2a sin theta r square minus r square by 2a sin theta is the value of dr by d theta. So the reciprocal of that will give us d theta by dr. Hence r square into d theta by dr is r square into minus 2a by sin theta into r square. By simplifying this, r square and r square get cancels. So it is minus 2a by sin theta. Minus 2a by sin theta means it is nothing but minus 2a cosecant theta. Thus the polar subtangent is 2a cosecant theta. Always the distance is taken as a positive value. Therefore the polar subtangent is 2a cosecant theta. So we will work out one more problem. Problem 2. Find the length of polar subtangent and polar subnormal to the curve r is equal to a into cos 2 theta at theta is equal to 5 by 6. Here the given equation of the curve is r is equal to a cos 2 theta. Differentiating this with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is equal to a into minus 2 sin 2 theta. This is the value of dr by d theta. So the derivative of cos 2 theta is minus 2 sin 2 theta, and the polar subtangent is given by r square into d theta by dr. So which is equal to r square means it is r is equal to a cos 2 theta. So substitute for the r square. Polar subtangent is equal to r square d theta by dr. Now substitute for r square from the given equation, that is r is equal to a cos 2 theta. Therefore r square is equal to a square cos square 2 theta into d theta by dr. See, dr by d theta is equal to a into minus 2 sin 2 theta. Therefore d theta by dr is minus 1 by 2a sin 2 theta. Now by simplifying this, we get minus a cos 2 theta by 2 into cot 2 theta. Cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta is cot 2 theta, and 1 cos 2 theta as it is. So minus a, 1a cancelled, minus a by 2 cos 2 theta into cot 2 theta. Now at the given angle, let us find out the value of the polar subtangent. At theta is equal to 5 by 6, see this is the given value of the angle. So at theta is equal to 5 by 6, the polar subtangent is equal to minus a by 2 cos 2 theta means 2 5 by 6 into cot 2 5 by 6. That is equal to minus a by 2 cos 5 by 3. See, 2 5 by 6 means it is 5 by 3. Cos 5 by 3 into cot 5 by 3. Now the values of cos 5 by 3 and cot 5 by 3 are half and 1 by root 3. So by substituting those values here, we get minus a by 2 into half into 1 by root 3, which is equal to a by 4 root 3. This is the required polar subtangent. Required polar subtangent. Now let us find out polar subnormal for the same curve. Polar subnormal is given by dr by d theta. Already we have found out dr by d theta, that is minus 2a sin 2 theta. And at theta is equal to 5 by 6, that is minus 2a into sin 2 5 by 6. That is sin minus 2a into sin 5 by 3 we will get. Drill sums. Find the length of polar subtangent and polar subnormal for the chordioid r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Problem 2. Find the length of polar subtangent and polar subnormal to the curve r square is equal to a square sin 2 theta. Thank you.